Good afternoon, students. Today we will start our new chapter, Lesson 16 Great People. A list of famous people throughout the history. Let us read about the lives of some such people. Susruda. Susruda was a physician in ancient India, known today as the father of Indian medicine and father of plastic surgery for inventing and developing surgical procedures. Susruda performed many kinds of surgeries, removing stones from bladder and kidneys, treating fractures and performing eye operations to remove cataract. He was especially skilled in reconstructing noses. Susruda lived in the ancient city of Kashi, now known as Varanasi or Benares, in the northern part of India. Susruda was an ancient Indian surgeon and is the author of the book Susruda Samhita, in which he describes over 300 surgical procedures, 120 surgical instruments, and classifies human surgery in 8 categories. The Susruda Samhita is one of the most important surviving ancient treatises on medicine and is considered a foundational text of Ayurveda. Charaka. Charaka, a physician, lived in India about 2000 years ago. He wrote a book on medicine called Charaka Samhita. Charaka was one of the principal contributors of Ayurveda, a system of medicine and lifestyle developed in ancient India. Charaka has been identified as a native of Kashmir. Acharya Charaka has been crowned as the father of medicine. His renowned work, the Charaka Samhita, is considered as an encyclopedia of Ayurveda. According to Charaka's translations, health and diseases are not predetermined and life may be prolonged by human effort and attention to lifestyle. The Charaka Samhita contains 8 parts and 120 chapters. He described the various stages through which food passes before being fully digested. He also listed what duties and responsibilities doctors had towards patients. He also had a vast knowledge about the medicinal values of many plants. Thank you.